If you have not been using Social Planner in the CRM, this is the time to use it. It's very powerful. It helps with marketing and saves time for your team. You can connect all your social channels. I wanted to show you some new features that has been introduced recently, which you may be missing out on. The first thing I want to show is the new social channels you can connect, right? So basically, before you are able to connect Facebook, Instagram, Google Business Page, LinkedIn, and then later we had option for connecting TikTok, YouTube, and Pinterest. Now, if you have a Threads account, you can connect that, and you can also connect Bluesky. Right? We don't have Twitter integration because Elon Musk wants a lot of money for that, but we can connect Bluesky and Threads. So these are new channels. Check it out. And if you have the other thing, which has been long requested by my clients at least, is hey, can we respond to comments from inside? I don't want to log in Facebook or this thing, that, Instagram, etc. So you can now. So if you put a post in there and people are commenting on it, you can like and reply from here. You can like the post. You can actually start a reply from here. So you don't have to actually go into the actual social channel. So that's again saves you a lot of time, and it gives you all the comments made on, for example, Facebook, Instagram, and more channels are coming soon. Right now, we can do likes, comments, and reactions for comments in the Facebook and Instagram. And then the third new thing, which has come, is social listening. Basically, this page gives you what's trending in Google, Pinterest, Wikipedia, TikTok, what hashtags are trending, what are the popular songs in TikTok, same thing in YouTube, what are the popular channels, what keywords are trending, and then what videos are trending. Right, so this gives you overall picture, but again, this is, you can select by day and look at what was trending yesterday, today, etc. The other thing is, it's going to very soon you may be able to look at your specific niche for real estate or a medical practice, put those things there, and it'll give you what's trending in that niche. Then create your social media content based on what's trending to reach more people. So again, if you're not been using Social Planner, this is the time to start using. It's very, very powerful.